A gaucho friend taught me this. This idea is genius for grilling without a grill. On your preferred cut of meat, let's start by adding some salt. Here I'm using grilling salt. Remember to place the meat on aluminum foil. Then fold it as I'm showing. Next, put it on a board. Set the iron to max heat and leave it on top until it browns. Once it's browned on one side, let's open it. Look folks, how the meat is cooking. Now we just need to flip it. Add some salt to the other side too. Close it again and repeat the process with the iron. Cook it to your liking. When it's browned like this, it's perfect for me. Now just remove the foil, transfer to the board, slice and enjoy. See how amazing this differently roasted meat looks. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.